Welcome to all. In this class today, I teach you about nitrogen fixation or nitrogen cycle. The process of converting nitrogen gas of atmosphere into compound of nitrogen. Converting nitrogen gas into compound of nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation. Means conversion of nitrogen into compound of nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen gas is the free nitrogen, whereas nitrogen compounds like nitrates are solid to be fixed. The nitrogen gas of atmosphere can be fixed or converted into nitrogen compound by following method. By rhizobium bacteria present in root nodules of leguminous plants. Second process by blue-green algae. Third by lightning. And fourth by certain nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil. Nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil. The nitrogen fixing rhizobium have symbiotic relationship with a leguminous plant. Some nitrogen fixing bacteria live freely in the soil. Nitrogen cycle. Atmospheric nitrogen converting nitrogen compound by nitrogen fixing bacteria, by lightning, blue-green algae, or rhizobium. Compound of nitrogen in soil. The plants consume this compound of nitrogen and some animals eat plant and plant eaten as food by animals, and animals excrete their waste, dead plant and animals. The decomposer decompose into compound of nitrogen. Some compound of soil nitrogen in soil. The nitrifying bacteria decompose some compound and free nitrogen gas into atmosphere. This process occurs again and again. This is nitrogen cycle. I teach you about something nitrogen cycle. The circulation of nitrogen elements through living and non-living is called nitrogen cycle in nature. The main step in the nitrogen cycle in nature are as first step, the nitrogen fixing bacteria, blue-green algae nitrogen fixing bacteria, being algae, and lightning fix nitrogen gas into compound of nitrogen into soil. Second step, the plant convert the compound into protein which make up the body of plant. Third step, the plants eaten up by animals. Animals convert protein into other organic compound which make up their body. Fourth step, when plants and animals die, their bodies are decomposed and converted into simple compound of nitrogen. These compounds are again absorbed by the new plants and part of nitrogen cycle is repeated endlessly. 4.50. Some compound of nitrogen are decomposed by denitrifying bacteria to form nitrogen gas. This process is a reverse of nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, denitrification. Nitrogen fixation, nitrogen and conversion of nitrogen gas into their compound. Denitrification, compound of nitrogen convert into simple nitrogen gas. So, denitrification to form nitrogen gas means denitrification is the reverse of nitrification in nitrogen fixation. As a result of nitrogen cycle in nature, the percentage of nitrogen gas in atmosphere remains constant. Here 2 points: nitrogen fixation, denitrification. Nitrogen fixation, conversion of nitrogen gas into their nitrate, into their compound, and denitrification, nitrate or compound of nitrogen convert into nitrogen gas. So, denitrification is reverse process of nitrogen fixation. Here, nitrogen fixation or nitrogen cycle is complete. Thanks. Next day, next topic.